Hey everybody, Tom's here, and today we have a surprise underneath this piece of wood. Let's see, back her up. Let's see if we can find this. Not seeing it. Great. Somewhere there's a copperhead. Oh, there she is, right here. Check that out. Right there is a copperhead. But yeah, that's pretty neat though. Coming across a copperhead, and this is the time of year when there's quite a few of them out here. Again, we're up in Tennessee, but pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. Very, very beautiful snake. I mean, just look at that pattern on them. If this is out in the bush though, this would be really hard to come by. Pretty neat. Okay, so I can't find any grippers or anything, but what I'm going to try to do is get him onto this shovel. There he goes. There we go. So we got him right now. Don't jump! Ah, my bad, dude. I'm just gonna keep on moving them. We want to get them back out into the woods. Want to keep them away from the wood pile. All right, so now we've moved them away from the wood pile and everything. I don't have grippers, and I don't really want to handle this snake. He's only struck once. It's not too bad, but we're just gonna keep the pressure on him, keep him moving down to the woods. You know, such a beautiful snake, folks. This is absolutely beautiful. How he moves, everything. Check out that pit viper head and everything. Just awesome snake. Keeping him moving. Keep on keeping on, bud. But yeah, this is the time of year. So this is August up here in Tennessee. There are a lot of copperheads moving around right now. So you always want to be careful when you're working in the woods. There he's striking. So yeah, he's trying to hold his ground. He's getting really irritated me with it right now. Come on, go. Alright. Come on, buddy. So he is watching me. He is following me. He's watching me. He is not happy. So I'm gonna let him go. He is almost to the woods. So we'll get him out there.